So nice and peaceful. Santa's about to fuck shit up. I just spent about 15 minutes, maybe 20, trying to set this up so that I wouldn't have to hold my camera. Then I could do some yoga. But, noga. Every setup I tried did not want to work. So, here we are. Holding the phone. Like some sort of fucking savage. Barbarian. Fuck. Well. Still, pretty neat. I'm digging that I can put this microphone into the phone. Microphones. Come on, microphones. Oh, error fetching data. As we creep into the night, we do so with serenity, good thoughts, good vibrations. Yes. It's a good time out here in nature. Now, it wasn't a minute ago before I got this peppermint stuff. See, now I wish I had another hand. Look. I can use my boobs as a microphone stand. Maybe. Not really. Where is it? This. Peppermint essential oils. Yes. Keeps the bugs away. Day after day. So, what do you like to do to relax? I barely ever do. I never relax. But it's such a serene nature. Relaxation is available. It is conquered. It is, shall we say, meant to be. You can't, it's prolific. You can't escape it. There's no escape from the serenity of this nature. Thank you.